Hi fellas, welcome back to another video. Today I will be building my very first kinda budget custom keyboard. But before we start, it appears only 100% of you guys are subscribed. Seriously, I expected more. Hopefully we can reach 120% soon enough. Okay, now onto the video. Okay, this is everything I got for my keyboard parts. I got shipping protection, obviously, GMK clip-in stabilizers, CC City Sunset keycaps, and FFF, 70 of them switches, linear switches. I also got the Epomaker GK64X base, and I got this set for lubing my switches. I got this lube here, 205G0, stem holder, 2 brushes, and a switch opener. So they should be here soon. Okay, I just got most of the parts in the mail. I got my keycaps and I got my switches and a lot of other stuff. I'll just open these up now. Okay, I got all my switches. Got all my keycaps. I got the films. I got the stabilizers. Okay, I just got the rest of the stuff in the mail. I got my case here, and then I got like all the tools. Yeah. Okay, so I got the case here, and the tools. This case actually looks really good. It feels nice. It's pretty heavy. Yeah, it doesn't feel too cheap. Okay, so I've put a couple of switches in and a few keycaps, just for a quick stock sound test. It's not bad stock, but yeah, I'm looking forward to modding it. Okay, so I didn't record during me lubing and filming the switches, since this isn't a tutorial video, but I've lubed and filmed all 64 switches. I also put 2 layers of foam under the PCB. I lubed the stabilizers as well, but I accidentally put the stabilizer stems in the wrong way, so the stabilizers didn't work at first, so I had to take everything apart again and fix it. Okay, thank you for watching everyone. I do plan to mod the spacebar stabilizer sometime in the future, but currently I am fine with how it is, compared to my old one at least. Please leave a like, subscribe, save to every playlist you have, send it to 34.7 friends and re-upload it to TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, Reddit, and everything ever. And I will see you next time.